Did you know that small changes can make a big difference in your fitness? It's true. Even the tiniest adjustments to your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you think about getting in shape. The thought of intense workouts and strict diets can be daunting. Many people give up before they even start because the goal seems too far out of reach. But don't worry, you don't need to make huge changes all at once. Start small. Begin with a short walk, a few minutes of stretching, or simply lacing up your running shoes. These small steps are the foundation of a healthier lifestyle. The key is to focus on building healthy habits. Incorporate more vegetables into your meals, drink an extra glass of water each day, or set a reminder to stand up and stretch every hour. These actions might seem minor, but they are powerful. These are small, easy actions you can do every day. Meditate for a few minutes to clear your mind, or do a quick home workout to get your blood flowing. Consistency is more important than intensity. Over time, these habits add up to big results. Imagine looking back in a few months and seeing how far you've come. The transformation won't happen overnight, but it will happen. Imagine improving your health just by making a few simple changes to your daily routine. Swap out sugary drinks for water, add an extra serving of vegetables to your meals, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small choices make a big impact. That's the power of habits. Celebrate your small victories, track your progress, and stay motivated. Each small change brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Remember, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. What are some examples of healthy habits? Start with your diet. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health. Can you add more fruits and vegetables to your meals? Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can provide essential vitamins and minerals. Perhaps drink more water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is vital for your body to function properly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Next, think about exercise. You don't need to run a marathon. Regular physical activity can improve your overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Just try to move your body for a little bit each day. Whether it's yoga, a home workout, or a simple stretching routine, every bit counts. Even a short walk can make a difference. Walking is a great way to stay active and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Finally, prioritize sleep. When you are well rested, you have more energy to make healthy choices. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your overall well-being. Additionally, consider incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling to manage stress and improve mental health. These habits can help you stay focused and calm. Building a foundation of healthy habits takes time and effort, but the benefits are worth it. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier you. Starting new habits can be tough. You might face challenges like lack of time or motivation. The key is to be kind to yourself and start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 habits and focus on those first. Once they become part of your routine, you can add more. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. A simple habits, remarkable results. Let's look at a story about the power of small changes. These small changes, when consistently applied, can lead to remarkable transformations in our lives. Imagine a woman named Sarah who wanted to lose weight and feel healthier. She felt overwhelmed by the idea of making drastic changes, so she decided to start small. She started by making one small change, drinking a glass of water before each meal. This simple habit was easy to incorporate into her daily routine. This simple habit helped her feel fuller, so she naturally ate less. It also helped her stay hydrated, which is essential for overall health. She also started taking short walks during her lunch break. These walks not only helped her burn extra calories, but also gave her a mental break from work. Over time, these small changes added up. Sarah began to notice a difference in her energy levels and her mood. Sarah lost weight, had more energy, and felt amazing. Her journey shows that you don't need to make huge changes to see significant results. By starting with small, manageable habits, you can achieve remarkable outcomes. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of consistency and the impact of small, positive changes. So, what small habit will you start today to transform your life? Your journey to a fitter you. Building healthy habits is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs along the way. The most important thing is to keep going. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine. Remember Sarah's story? Small changes can lead to remarkable results. Now is the time to start your own fitness journey. What one small habit will you choose today?